Load, god dang it.
Hey guys! Oh shit, another ad.
Shenanigans.
Welcome to Background
Shenanigans.
Noises featuring me. Oh, I already fucked this up. All right, yeah, this is Background Noises with me, my friend Alistair, and Nathan,
Noises.
and yeah.
I'm choking. Don't mind that.
Oh, go, hit that ramp. Oh,
Don't mind anything that's going on.
Oh, wow.
Don't mind it. Don't mind it.
That's probably copyrighted.
It's copyrighted, all right.
Oh,
I probably should turn this down.
lawsuit on my hands now.
I'm sorry. Don't
Question it.
Don't. I'm sorry. Don't kill us, please.
Yeah,
The government is lies.
Background Noises.
Exactly. You're going to have a lot of.
I'm going to eat leisures. They're white and cute.
You know what, guys? To make this video even sound remotely good, you're gonna have to be high for quite a while. So
I already am high.
I'm going to give you a while. Just grab some crack, get some weed, and
The smell of tissues.
just chill, dude. Just chill.
No,
until-
make you high the quickest. Let me put a hand sanitizer on a Kleenex inside.
Oh yeah,
That's some good shit.
Huff and Paint's pretty good.
I've never helped paint.
I haven't played.
I haven't, but I've heard that people do it.
Damn it, I know.
Shit. I'm bad at this. I'm sorry.
Hey, somebody get a timer. You want to see how many times I can say the F word in 1 minute?
Fuck.
You're probably not going to be able to count
Miss.
it. But
Messing up.
okay, guys, you ready? This is going to be the most revolutionary thing in YouTube history. Fuck. Holy shit.
Sheep.
No,
Neep.
I said he in the back. I said
Noises. They make every noise.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Don't make noises that sound weird. Okay, this. Shut up. Shut up. I want to hear something that's. Hey, guys. Guys, you want to hear something copyrighted?
We're talking about hormones in health class. Fuck this bullshit because copyrighted. I'm going to have a lawsuit.
That's my own song. Shut up. It's my own song.
Shut your fucking face, Uncle.
If you
Fucker.
actually don't play it,
Yeah,
don't
but-
play the whole thing, then it's not copyrighted at all.
Bam,
I
bam,
just-
bam, 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 bam. This is
I
with
just
my mouth.
literally-
I'm an amazing dubstepper, which means it won't be copyrighted. Bam, 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 bam.
You know, who wants
Bam, bam,
You are the
bam,
worst.
bam,
who
bam,
wants
bam.
to watch like some South Park?
No one.
Why? It's hilarious.
Because balls are in his mouth.
Hey, no, don't go back to that. I didn't
Yes,
suck
you-
your balls yesterday.
Oh my god, no! What was that? What is that?
The only person that actually paid attention to this was Hunter.
I am paying
What?
What is that?
I don't fucking know.
Swing! Hello, everybody.
I'm
Oh, I know
Tara.
what that game is.
Guys, I'm going to tell you something. Hello, everybody. My name is...
Snap Sports Baseball. I can play with. If I want to right now, I can play with both of their ears at the same
Why?
time.
Oh my god, no! Stop it! Stop it!
Why the fuck?
This is transferred!
Okay, I'm just gonna play with both of
Dude.
Hunter's ears.
Dude, you need those pills that Alistair has more than he does. He's playing with the cartilage on my ears.
You need to listen.
Why the fuck is this a thing?
I don't know why we're even doing this.
ears. You get a massage.
I have Terraria.
Oh my god, why?
Stop this.
I just beat up right now, my.
Quit Quit hitting him.
This might sound wrong, but it isn't.
He just hit me so hard.
Okay, is everybody okay?
Okay, holy shit. Okay. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm gonna make another video.